Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how do you fix your iPhone on Verizon which is not receiving texts. So here's a guide for your RCS or iMessage, SMS or MMS delivery. Fix 1, you need to check your Verizon signal. If you see SOS or no signal, move to an area with better coverage. If you are using Wi-Fi, remember that standard SMS messages still requires a cellular connection. Fix 2. Restart your iPhone. Turn off your iPhone, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on and check if new messages arrive. Fix 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Open Control Center, turn airplane mode on and wait for 30 seconds. Turn it off and reconnect to Verizon network. Fix 4. Check for blocked contacts. Go to Settings, select Apps and then go to Messages, select Block Contacts. Or go to Settings, select Messages and then go to Block Contacts. Depending on your iOS version, make sure the sender isn't blocked. Fix 5. Check your message settings. Go to Settings, select Apps and then go to Messages or Settings and then go to Messages. Make sure iMessage is enabled if you use it. If you are having trouble with SMS messages, verify send as SMS is turned on. Fix 6. Update carrier settings. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, select General and then go to About. If prompted, install the available carrier settings update. Fix 7. You need to update your iOS. Install the latest version of iOS, go to Settings, select General, and then go to Software Update. Download and install any available update. Fix 8. Reset network settings. If the problem continues, you can go to Settings, select General, and then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Tap Reset network settings and enter your password and confirm it. Fix 9. You need to check your SIM or eSIM. If you use a physical SIM, remove it, check for damage, and reinsert it securely. If you use an eSIM, go to Settings, select Cellular, and make sure your Verizon line is active. Fix 10. You need to contact the Verizon support. Ask Verizon to verify that your line is active and properly provisioned for SMS. If you recently switched between phones, you need to confirm your SIM or eSIM activation completed successfully. Verizon can also reset your messaging service if needed. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.